Hello, welcome to Uncle Al's Barbecue. I just cut this brisket open, Texas style. Look at that juice running out. I'm not pressing on it like anybody else, all that other stuff. Look at how gorgeous that is. Texas style brisket. Here, let me press on it like everyone else does. Woo! All right, here's what I did. I trimmed it up, you know how to do that. I seasoned it. And then I cooked it on a PITBOSS pellet grill at 200 degrees for 10 hours, and it weighed about 9 pounds. I wrapped it in butcher paper and foil, put it in the oven at 250 degrees for an hour and a half, turned it off, let it cool down, and look at the juice. I mean, look at this thing. So there you go. Uncle Al's Barbecue, Texas brisket. Fantastic.